watching Nama channel.
Hi students, good morning to all. Last class we have to see the factor theorem. Now we have to see the examples for factor theorem and condition for factorization by splitting middle term. Now we see example number 11. Examine whether x plus 2 is factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and 2x plus 4. Here I take this one is p of x and this one is s of x. So two expression. In this two expression they have to given this x plus 2 is a factor of this both expression. So by using that factor theorem, if x plus a is a factor, p of a is equal to 0. The same way x plus 2 is factor, p of minus 2 is 0. So we find out the solution. So first I take p of x which is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. And another expression I take s of x which is equal to 2x plus 4. First I take x plus 2 is factor of p of x, which implies x plus 2 which is equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. So here p of minus 2 which is equal to minus 2 whole power 3 plus 3 into minus 2 whole power 2 plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Here in this expression, instead of x I substitute minus 2. Here this minus 2 can be multiple thrice. So minus into minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So minus 2 whole power 3 can be written in the form. So plus 3 minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Plus into minus minus 5 2s are 10 plus 6. Same way minus 8 plus 12 and then minus 10 plus 6. So these are different symbol, you have to subtract. Here 10 is bigger, answer become negative. So 10 minus 6, 4. And then here minus 8 minus 4. Symbol same, by the condition of integer, symbols are same, you have to add. Put the same symbol. Minus, minus, we have to put same symbol. 8 plus 4, 12 and plus 12. Minus 12 plus 12 will become 0. So p of minus 2 which is equal to 0. Hence we have to prove this factor theorem. By the factor theorem, what is the factor theorem? X plus a is factor of p of x if p of a which is equal to 0. In the same way, x plus 2 is factor of p of x, p of minus 2 equal to 0. Now, hence in the same way, we have to find out x plus 2 is factor of this s of x. Now I take x plus 2 is factor of s of x, which implies s of minus 2 equal to 0. We have to prove that. So s of minus 2 which is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So here plus into minus minus. 2 2s are 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. It become 0. So s of minus 2 which is equal to 0. Hence we have to show that this x plus 2 is factor of p of x and s of x. Therefore x plus 2 is factor of p of x and s of x. Next we move on to example number 12. So now we see example number 12. In this question, find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. Instead of constant, here k is there. We have to find out the value of k. Already we know that if this expression I take p of x, if x minus 1 is a factor, the p of x which is equal to 0. That means p of 1 equal to 0. The solution, p of x which is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. If x minus 1 is factor of p of x, x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1, which implies p of 1 equal to 0. Here we substitute instead of x 1. So 4 1 power 3 plus 3 into 1 power 2 minus 4 into 1 plus k, which is equal to 0. Here how many times we multiple 1? We get 1. So 4 into 1 plus 3 into 1 minus 4 plus k equal to 0. 4 ones are 4 plus 3 ones are 3 minus 4 plus k equal to 0. Here plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled. 3 plus k equal to 0, k equal to minus 3. So here the value of k is minus 3. Just you think, here minus 3 we put the final by the verification. These are all the substitution value. I just substitute this minus 3 here. 4 plus 3 minus 4. Instead of k I put minus 3. Now you see, plus 4 minus 4 already we cancel. We get 3 plus k. Here plus 3 minus 3, it becomes 0. So the value of k is 3. Therefore value of k which is equal to minus 3. Next we have to see the splitting method. Factorization. Find factors by splitting middle term. Find factors splitting by middle term. So before we see that example, we have to know some basic application for this method, because some of the technique we have to follow to find out the factor by splitting middle term. So we have to see the some cases, some methods to use this splitting middle term. Now we see basic for factorization by splitting method. So this is I gave some quadratic equation here, ax square plus bx plus c. We have to splitting the middle term. This one is the product is constant. The constant we have to make product. So we get factors of the this constant. Factors of the constant. We have to sum or difference, we get the middle term. So we have to split it by using here method 1, method 2, method 3 and method 4. There are 4 methods is there. One by one I explained you. First I have to see the first method. First method ax square plus bx plus c. Here I gave second and third term positive. Here second term positive is there. Third term positive. So factor of the constant. So we have to take the factor of the constant, this c, that both should be positive. Both are positive. I just give one example. X square plus 3x plus 2. Here second term, third term positive. 2 is the constant. I just write the factor. 1, 2 is 2. 1, 2 is 2. Already I told both factors having positive symbol. Plus 1, plus 2. So 1 into 2, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. So that's why I given sum or difference is the middle term. Product is the constant. So by the product 1 into 2, 2. So 1 into 2, 2. Plus 1 plus 2, you get plus 3. The same way move on to the method number 2. In this method 2 you have to see ax square minus bx plus c. Here second term become negative, third term that is constant positive. The example I have to write x square minus 3x plus 2. Here second term is negative, third term the constant is positive. I take plus 2, the factor always 1 2 is 2, but what I am saying, the second one is negative. If second term negative, third term positive, what is the condition? Factor of the constant both are negative. That should be first one minus 1 and then minus 2. Just you product it, minus 1 into minus 2. Minus into minus you get plus, 1 2 is 2. By the product we get plus 2. And this is sum or difference. The same symbol in the sense you have to add. So 1 plus 2, 3. Same symbol in the sense the minus we have to put minus 3. Now I explain the method 3. Method 3 is some different. Here ax square, second term and third term both are negative. Second term, third term negative. The factor of constant is different symbol. Different symbol. That's it. One is positive and another one is negative. Here we have to follow the another condition also. The first condition, factor is in different symbol. Another condition, larger value have negative. Only we have to take larger value as negative. So I just gave the same example. X square minus 3x minus 2. Here we need minus 2 by the product, minus 3 which is sum or difference. The same way see method 3. Here ax square minus, so second and third term negative. Second and third term negative in the sense the first condition, factor have different symbol. And different symbol in the sense we take larger value have negative. So because of that I take this example, x square minus 3x minus 4. So minus 4, what are the factor? It should be 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4. These are the factor. So different symbol and larger value we take negative. So larger value we take negative in the sense the smaller value positive. Here both are same. One is positive, one is negative. So plus into minus, minus 1 4s are 4. This one become 0. So second one it not possible. So here you have to see plus into minus, minus 4 by the product we get minus 4. And then plus 1, minus 4. Here 4 is bigger. So we put minus, different symbol we have to subtract 4 minus 1, 3. So plus 1 minus 4 is the factor for this. Minus 4 we have to split the middle term by plus 1 and then minus 4. So in this condition you have to carefully you have to see that factor of the constant have different symbol. Different symbol. And another condition, in this different symbol larger value have negative. So we take negative for larger value. Now the last method, method number 4, ax square plus bx minus c. Second term positive, third term negative. The factor of constant is also different symbol. Here you have to see second and third term both negative in the sense different symbol. Second term positive, third term negative means different symbol. Here we have two pair. You see the method 1 and method 2 both positive and second one is negative. We take both positive means positive, second one negative means both negative. Here both negative means different symbol and then last term is, that is third term is negative, different symbol. In this condition smaller value have negative. I take the same example, x square plus 3x minus 4. So the same factor minus 4 I take 1 4 is 4, 2 2s are 4. I think different symbol, the different symbol means smaller value only negative. So I take minus. In this 2 I take only 1. So my plus into minus, minus 4. Both of them product is minus 4 only. But you have to add or subtract. Plus 4 minus 1 which is equal to 4 is bigger. So plus you have to subtract 3. So plus 2 minus 2, it becomes 0. So this is the correct factor. We get plus 3 and then minus 4. We have to split this middle term by minus 1 plus 4. That should be minus x plus 4x. We have to split this middle term by like this condition. So here these are the 4 methods we have to follow before we have to move on to the splitting method. So you have any of the expression like this. By using this type of method, easily you find out whether you have a both are positive or both are negative, or which one have positive and which one have negative, and what is the factor. So this is very easy method. So because of that, you have to learn this methods carefully. You have to know this conditions. It's very easy to find out the factor by splitting method. So some special cases are there. Here minus 2x square plus 3x plus 2, I will take another example. In this expression, here we always take the second one and third one. So here you have to see, in this previous example, there is no coefficient of the first term. Only x square we have to take. Here minus 2 is the coefficient. This is one of the special case. Because of this, just you move to the rougher column and write the question as it is same. Minus 2x square plus 3x plus 2. So in this special case, you have to do only one thing. You have to multiply this coefficient to constant. How to multiply this coefficient to constant? That should be minus 2 can be multiplied with this plus 2. Minus 2 can be multiplied with the plus 2. So this minus 2, it goes x square plus 3x plus into minus 4. This for our reference. This is for our reference to follow the condition. Now the expression we get the same. Second one positive, third one negative. That should be method 4. That should be method 4. Method 4 in the sense, we have to take the factor. 1 4 is 4. The last term only negative means we take smaller, have negative. So plus into minus, minus 1 4s are 4. And then positive is bigger value. So plus 3. So we have to follow this expression by method 4. Special cases. So in this special cases, how you have to split the middle term? So we have to find out. So this is for your reference. This is only for rough work, not for the main work, because you have to follow the conditions. So here we know the condition. Second term is positive, third term is negative. The method is 4. Method 4 means smaller value we take negative. So we have to find out the factors. Now minus 2x square. This 3x is the middle term of the expression. It can be split out by this factor. Minus 1, we take it as minus x. Plus 4, I take it as plus 4x plus 2. So this is the condition to split out the middle term. Now 4 term is there. I will take the first 2 and then second 2. In this first 2, minus is common. And then x is common. Remaining minus is going out. 2 is there. Out of 2 power 1 is going out. Remaining 1x is there. Here minus and x is moving out. Only plus 1 is there. Here plus is common. And then 2 table is common. 2x plus 1. So in this condition, 2x plus 1 is common. I take 2x plus 1 is common. The remaining term minus x plus 2. This one can be written as 2x plus 1 into 2 minus x. So this is one of the example. So I explained the special cases, the expression which contains the first term which contains the coefficient. The first step, move to the rougher column to find out the method. Coefficient can be multiplied with the constant. You get minus 4. Now you follow the method. Method 1, method 2, method 3 and method 4. You have to compare this symbol and find out the factors and split the middle term and find the factor. This is the factor for this expression. Next we move on to example sums. Example number 13. So in next class, by using this methods, we have to find out the factor by splitting method. So in next class, we have to see the example by using this method.